To turn on or off location on the Realme C71, there are two ways to do this. The first one is you can simply go for the settings, and from here scroll down all the way down, and you will be able to find the location. And as you tap on this one, here you can turn on and off the location services with this switch right here. And this is the first way to do this, and the second way is actually to go for the quick settings, and right here you can find the button with the location, and you can also turn on and off the location with this switch. And in case if you cannot find it right here, you will have to actually add it into these quick settings by pressing three dots on the top right corner in the quick settings and pressing edit button. And right here, let's pretend that we don't have this location button available, so right here we'll have to find it, and yeah, it is available right here, the location button. Let's simply press the plus icon to add it to our quick settings, and we can also drag it around for some better place, like for example right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can turn on and off location on the Realme C71.